A new study shows Maryland residents are the fifth most taxed in the country, leading some economists to question the state's financial standing. Fox 45's Jeff Abel is looking into how Maryland's tax structure compares to that of other states.
He joins us live now with more. Jeff.
Well, you know, when fiscal times get tough in this state, lawmakers tend to rely on taxes to bail them out. But tonight there is new evidence about the real impact of this taxing predicament.
At the State House, it seems taxes are never out of season. In fact, in Maryland, there's hardly a tax which hasn't been deployed. Right now, Marylanders are slapped with an income tax, property tax, sales tax, business tax, gas tax, cigarette tax, alcohol tax, vaping tax, cannabis tax, sports gaming tax. It's the only state with a digital advertising tax, and the only state with both an estate tax and an inheritance tax.
Because you cannot look at Maryland's tax system and honestly say that it works as it should.
In fact, there are so many taxes, Maryland has become one of the least competitive states in the country. A recent study by the Tax Foundation ranked Maryland 46th in the country when it comes to tax competitiveness with other states. Only Connecticut, California, New Jersey, and New York rank lower. The most competitive tax state in the country is Wyoming.
This latest ranking is not a surprise, and it should be a wake-up call for the governor. The state is becoming less and less competitive when it comes to taxes, and that means people are going to leave.
And if the governor gets his way, Marylanders could soon be slapped with a new round of taxes, including a 75-cent delivery tax on packages delivered to homes and businesses, and an income tax hike on the wealthiest 18% of Marylanders.
The people who will be really taking on the lion's share of the increase are people who are making over $700,000.
But in the end, the state that taxes could be the state that loses. Researchers find Maryland and other high-tax states are losing population as taxpayers relocate to states which tax the least.
The state needs to understand the fiscal ramifications of these tax increases. People will leave. People have already left. And once people start leaving, it puts the state in a very dangerous fiscal position.
Well, the governor is calling for a reduction in the state's business tax, but even if it's approved, it'll still remain one of the largest corporate taxes in this region. We're live tonight. Jeff Abel, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.